welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chastity, but you guys can call me Doll. I will be really showing you guys how I'm wearing this wig. This is a wig from Elva's Hair Company. Sorry if I'm looking in the mirror, you guys. It's a 13 by 4 lace front, if I'm not mistaken. I will leave their link in the description box below. It is a 12-inch, 200 density, deep wavy. And this is how I've been rocking it, the half up, half down wand curls. Because I really like how the wand curls come out on this wig. It's very fluffy. It's very full. So, basically this video is going to be really introducing you guys to my YouTube channel. And basically telling you guys what to expect from me or what to expect on this channel. Basically my channel will be vlogs, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, DIYs, vlogmas, stuff like that, smoke sessions because I do smoke. Hello to all my 420 dolls out there. And let's just get right into this video. Let's get right into styling this wig. And I do have this little hairpin that I've been wearing. Can you guys see? Okay. It says love. This has been like really cute to me, and it's been going with all my outfits I've been wearing so far. Sorry you guys if I have this white, this kind of the brightness, the lightness off today. I just wanted to, get this video out for you guys. Right now, I will just be really detangling my wig from previous curls, which it's really not hard to detangle this wig. And once it comes out, to get very fluffy. I really have been, really loving this style, this short hair on me. It's been like my go-to everyday wig. I will show more styles that I have done on this wig in later videos. I just really wanted to get something out for you guys. Show you guys my intro. I will be putting a clip of my intro in the beginning and at the end of this video. So you guys can, get a look at that and tell me what you guys think, how you guys like it. And anything you guys think I should change or do. So for you guys who didn't know, I just had a birthday, December 22nd. I am 22. I'm a Capricorn. I'm 5'1". I'm not that tall. Currently, I am single. I'm Barbie looking for my king. I'm just waiting. But yes, guys, currently I am single. Not really dating. Not really looking. So for now, I'm just going to take this and wrap it. Because I don't really want it anyway. Because I want to uncurl every piece of hair. And it's a lot of hair in the back. So it can get a little difficult. And you guys, these baby hairs, it's like, I'm gonna say 4 or 5 days old. Like, no joke. I did receive some shedding, which is normal. Can you guys see that? Which is not a lot. I mean, dealing with deep wavy hair, you're going to expect shedding. And by it being curled, it's going to be, some shedding. Which wasn't a lot. Oh, my bad. I will be using these wand curls. If I'm not mistaken, I think I got these from Walmart. Yep, Walmart. That's like the perfect size for me. But guys, I'm so hot. I'm sweating. But yeah, that's like the perfect size for me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick a nice piece of hair, not too big, not too small. Give it another little hoop comb, and I'm going to begin to warm curl the hair. Now, warm curling this hair, you do not have to hold it for a very long time because it is already a naturally deep wavy hair. So this hair curls very well, very well. And the curls last very well. You know, they last a nice time. I don't comb my curls out. Once I get done, I just kind of fluff them out with my hand and let them do whatever they're going to do. Because, like I said, this hair can get very, very poofy. And when I first do it, I like that tight curl. I don't really want the poofy look once I first warm curl it. And I am warm curling it away from my face. And if you watch as I warm curl my hair, I don't do the same curls all over. Some curls are tighter. Some curls are more of a wave. I seen I can't remember who I seen do their hair like that, but I like the look that it gave her at the end. So I'm gonna try that today. I've been doing that one. I've been doing my hair like this for about a week or two. I'm gonna say a week. A week. I just lost that piece of hair that quick. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Now, if you want more of a ring curl, which I'm gonna show you guys on the next piece, you want to wrap it flat. I will be showing you how to get different curl techniques with these wands. Okay, you see how flat that lays on my wand? And you see, it's like a ring curl type. Now, I'm gonna show you how you would get more of the, wavy look. Not really a curl, but really a wave. If that's what you're going for. Now, when I do this one, I'm not going to make sure it's flat. I'm going to hold it tight together and just wrap it around. Now, as you can see on the ring curl look, the hair was flat, wrapped around the wands. You couldn't really see the wand. But with this curl, you can definitely see a difference. You see, guys, it's a totally big difference. A lot of people that use wands, I don't think they really know that. But yeah, that's my technique of doing my wand curls. And like I said, I will be doing both curls in this video because I know I've been liking it. And I want to, show you guys different techniques. See how I'm rolling it around flat. It's flat. Different techniques to use your wands. And you can achieve this style with any kind of wand. It really doesn't even matter. You guys see that more defined curl. And you guys, in this video today, I will be showing you guys how I do my brows and my lashes in this video. So this is kind of, like introducing you guys to my intro and to my channel, and kind of a tutorial of how I style this wig and how I do my brows. Okay, you guys, so Now that I've shown you guys the basic steps, I'm going to go ahead and get done with this and I will be back. As you guys can see, this is my end result. I am done warm curling my hair, which probably took about 10 or 15 minutes